Welcome to your Inner Peace Digital Detox. This is your time to disconnect from constant notifications, endless scrolling, and the noise of the digital world. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. You are stepping into a space of calm, clarity, and presence. Let these affirmations guide you toward grounding, awareness, and inner peace. This is your moment to reset, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. I am choosing to step away from digital distractions and reclaim my focus. I am present in this moment, free from notifications and noise. I am grateful for the time I take to nourish my mind and spirit. I am letting go of the urge to compare my life to what I see online. I am creating boundaries that protect my mental and emotional space. I notice how peaceful it feels to disconnect for a while. I am choosing calm over constant stimulation. I am aware of my breath, my body, and the rhythm of my heart. I am free to enjoy life fully without the distraction of screens. I am prioritizing my inner peace above digital noise. I am stepping back from notifications and alerts that do not serve me. I am present in my thoughts without judgment or rush. I am grateful for the quiet moments that allow me to reconnect with myself. I am aware that my value is not measured by likes, views, or comments. I am letting go of scrolling that drains my energy. I am opening my heart to the beauty around me that is outside my screen. I am patient with myself as I form healthier digital habits. I am noticing the peace that arises when I choose stillness. I am choosing to listen to my intuition rather than notifications. I am valuing the present moment over digital distractions. I am letting my mind rest from endless comparison. I am grounded in awareness of my own thoughts and emotions. I am free from the pressure to respond instantly to digital messages. I am allowing silence and space to guide my clarity. I am grateful for the ability to disconnect and reconnect with my soul. I am noticing the lightness in my body as I release digital tension. I am cultivating focus, mindfulness, and intentional living. I am creating space to reflect, rest, and recharge. I am aware that life exists beyond the screen, and I embrace it fully. I am choosing experiences over scrolling, connection over distraction, I am letting go of the urge to constantly check for updates. I am present with my thoughts, feelings, and sensations in this moment. I am discovering the freedom in digital stillness. I am valuing quality time with myself over mindless engagement online. I am aware of how my mind and body feel as I unplug. I am choosing to replace digital noise with nature, reading, or quiet reflection. I am freeing my mind from constant comparison with others online. I am reconnecting with the wisdom and creativity within me. I am letting go of digital overwhelm and embracing calm clarity. I am prioritizing my mental and emotional well-being over digital engagement. I am aware that my focus and attention are precious resources. I am cultivating patience and presence in every action I take. I am choosing mindful breathing over distracted scrolling. I am noticing how rejuvenating a digital break can feel. I am freeing my energy from constant online stimulation. I am aware of the peace that comes from slowing down. I am letting my mind rest in stillness and calm. I am connecting with the natural rhythm of my body and breath. I am choosing clarity over distraction, presence over scrolling. I am noticing the joy that arises when I focus on myself rather than my screen. I am grateful for the freedom to disconnect and enjoy the moment. I am letting go of mental clutter caused by too much screen time. I am mindful of how I spend my attention and energy. I am replacing digital distraction with creative and fulfilling activities. I am aware of the richness of life beyond my device. I am releasing the need to keep up with online content constantly. I am present with myself, grounded in my own inner wisdom. I am choosing digital balance and intentional engagement. I am aware of the serenity that comes with unplugging. I am reconnecting with what truly matters in my life. I am letting go of the pressure to be always available online. I am embracing stillness, quiet, and reflection. I am grounding myself in the here and now. I am noticing how my body relaxes as I let go of digital tension. I am creating daily rituals of digital mindfulness and peace. I am aware that inner peace is cultivated through presence and reflection. I am allowing my mind to rest from constant stimulation. I am choosing calm thoughts over anxious scrolling. I am cultivating a sense of freedom and autonomy over my digital life. I am aware of how liberating it feels to disconnect from notifications. I am stepping into clarity, focus, and mindful awareness. I am grateful for the peace that grows when I unplug. I am noticing the creativity that arises when I am offline. I am choosing intentional connection over endless scrolling. I am letting my mind breathe, my heart rest, and my body relax. I am aware that digital breaks restore my energy and clarity. I am free to enjoy the present without distraction or comparison. I am mindful of how I engage with technology, choosing balance and peace. I am noticing the calmness that comes from being truly present. I am choosing simplicity, focus, and mindful awareness. I am grateful for each moment of quiet reflection and inner peace. I am releasing the habit of constant online distraction. I am embracing the stillness and the clarity it brings. I am reconnecting with my true self through presence and mindfulness. I am stepping fully into calm, grounded, and peaceful energy. I am gently releasing the need to check my devices and giving myself permission to rest. I am finding joy in quiet moments and the stillness around me. I am aware of the freedom that comes from detaching from screens. I am choosing presence over distraction and clarity over chaos. I am noticing the beauty in my surroundings without digital interference. I am letting go of urgency and embracing the rhythm of calm. I am creating healthy boundaries that nurture my mental and emotional well-being. I am aware of the richness of life beyond notifications and updates. I am choosing to honor my mind, body, and spirit with peaceful time. I am releasing the habit of constant digital engagement. I am allowing myself to enjoy the present moment fully. I am noticing how stillness allows creativity and inspiration to flow. I am confident in my ability to balance digital use with inner peace. I am choosing calm, clarity, and conscious awareness every day. I am grateful for the moments when I step away from digital distraction. I am releasing tension, restlessness, and the need to constantly engage online. I am aware that my presence is more valuable than any virtual connection. I am stepping into peace, grounded in my inner strength. I am noticing the lightness that arises when I unplug and slow down. I am cultivating mindfulness in every breath and every thought. I am letting go of judgment, comparison, and digital stress. I am honoring my need for rest and reflection. I am creating a sanctuary of calm within myself. I am aware of the rejuvenation that comes from stepping back from screens. I am embracing the peace that exists within my body and mind. I am allowing myself to recharge without feeling guilty. I am noticing the stillness as a space for insight, clarity, and growth. I am grateful for the opportunity to care for my mental health. I am releasing worry, distraction, and the pressure to be constantly available. I am stepping into clarity, focus, and calm energy. I am noticing the calm that grows when I allow myself to unplug. I am embracing the freedom that comes from choosing presence over distraction. I am aware of the peace that fills me as I slow down. I am prioritizing mindful moments over digital consumption. I am noticing how my thoughts become clearer in stillness. I am letting go of digital tension and allowing my body to relax. I am aware that digital balance nurtures my focus and creativity. I am cultivating calmness in both my mind and my heart. I am choosing presence and peace over constant stimulation. I am aware of how powerful it feels to reclaim my time and attention. I am releasing mental clutter and embracing clarity and calm. I am noticing the joy that arises when I spend time offline. I am grateful for the space to reconnect with myself and my surroundings. I am choosing mindful awareness over reactive scrolling. I am aware that stepping back from digital chaos allows me to thrive. I am letting go of digital overwhelm and stepping into presence. I am creating intentional time for myself, free from distractions. I am noticing the subtle peace that grows with every unplugged moment. I am aware that inner peace is cultivated one mindful moment at a time. I am choosing balance, clarity, and serenity in all areas of life. I am grateful for the calm that arises when I release digital tension. I am allowing my energy to replenish naturally and gently. I am aware of the beauty, creativity, and focus that grows in stillness. I am choosing to prioritize self-care over constant connectivity. I am noticing how my mind feels lighter as I step away from screens. I am embracing moments of quiet reflection as powerful tools for growth. I am aware that detaching from digital chaos allows me to connect more deeply with myself. I am grateful for the peace, focus, and clarity that digital breaks provide. I am letting go of the need to be constantly online and always connected. I am noticing the freedom and calm that emerges from intentional stillness. I am aware of how much more present and alive I feel offline. I am choosing mindfulness, clarity, and digital balance as part of my daily life. I am letting go of mental clutter caused by digital overload. I am grateful for my ability to step back, breathe, and reconnect with inner peace. I am noticing how restorative unplugging can be for my mind, body, and soul. I am allowing myself to experience life fully, free from digital distractions. I am aware that choosing calm over chaos strengthens my energy and focus. I am letting go of compulsive scrolling and welcoming intentional living. I am noticing the serenity that fills me as I choose digital mindfulness. I am grateful for the opportunity to nourish my inner peace daily. I am embracing balance, clarity, and mindful connection to myself and the world. I am free to enjoy life without constant digital stimulation. I am aware that each moment of stillness strengthens my clarity, focus, and inner peace. I am choosing calm over chaos, presence over distraction, and self-care over constant engagement. Take a deep breath and notice the calm within you. You have created space for your mind, body, and spirit to recharge. Each moment of presence brings clarity, peace, and balance. Carry this serenity with you as you return to your day or evening, knowing that digital peace is always available to you. Thank you for joining this Inner Peace Digital Detox session. May your mind be calm, your heart light, and your energy renewed.